Contacts can be created in Brightpearl in several ways. Manual entry, importing a spreadsheet, with orders imported from a spreadsheet, with orders downloaded from integrated sales channels, or via online web forms, or smart forms as they're known in Brightpearl. In this video, you will learn how to manually create and edit contacts directly in Brightpearl. When adding a new contact, you can go via the main menus or the quick add icon. Adding a customer or vendor is exactly the same, so let's take a look at adding a new customer. The minimum amount of information you need in order to save a customer is a company, first or last name. Of course, you should try to capture as much information as you can for marketing purposes. As you begin entering the name details, Brightpearl will search through existing records to check whether this contact already exists in order to try and prevent duplicates. If a match is found, click on the name to open the contact. One of the key fields to complete to ensure effective management of this customer is an email address, and it's important that it's unique for each contact, even if they are from the same company. A contact email address is used for searching and matching existing contacts when importing spreadsheets or when downloading orders from integrated sales channels. There are various other fields here for recording methods of contacting your customer, including the Addresses tab for recording multiple addresses for different purposes. Once these address blocks have been completed and saved, more blocks will become available. Up until there are financial transactions, it's possible to change a contact between customer and vendor. But note that staff members should always be managed from the setup area. Setting a password for the contact will allow the customer or vendor to log in through the web portal to view their account online. Teams allow you to restrict visibility of a contact and the associated records, such as orders and invoices, to only the staff members within that team. And you can also assign an individual staff member as the owner of a contact. This allows the individual to manage their own list of contacts. The status indicates what relationship the contact currently has with you, and for each status you can assign a specific number of reminder days. If no contact is recorded against the contact record for that number of days, they'll be added to the notification area to be followed up. The lead source allows you to monitor where your contacts are coming from, enabling you to target your next marketing campaign, and the newsletter setting will ensure you only contact those customers who wish to be contacted. Any important information about your contact can be recorded in these fields at the bottom, the pop-up message displaying every time the contact is opened or a new order is created. The Financials tab is where you can set the customer group or price list, and then any additional discount can be added as a percentage. You can select the currency for the contact, but always ensure that the price list is set to use the same currency. If a specific tax rate applies for this customer, select it in the field, leave it blank to use the normal Brightpearl tax rules. Select a nominal code to overrule the normal accounting rules. Use the account code field to assign a unique reference to the contact. This can be useful for matching contacts during the import routines, but also for them to quote, making it easier to find their record. The account's email address can be used for emailing invoices instead of the main email. Use the company and tax numbers and bank details fields for storing information should you require it. And if your customer is authorised to buy now and pay later, enter their credit terms and limit. And in the setup area, you can set overdue accounts to be locked. Custom fields can be created in the setup area for adding additional tabs and fields to record extra information. Once the contact is saved, the contact timeline and files tabs are displayed. Tags are a great way of grouping your contacts for reporting and managing them. Create your tags in the setup area and then assign one or more to each of your contacts. Down the right hand side of each contact you'll find these information boxes. These allow you to jump to activities in progress, such as open orders, or to view historical actions such as order history and financial history, as well as begin new actions, starting a new quote, order or credit, allocating a payment, sending a statement, or creating a new task or event. Editing contacts can be done one by opening and updating their record, but there are also batch processes which can be performed from the contact list. Take customers for example. Open your customer list, apply any filters to narrow your results to those you wish to update, including using your custom fields. Select the customers to be updated and then choose the relevant option in the batch processing area. As well as updating various settings that we have covered within the customer record in this video, it's possible to send emails or SMS, print address labels and letters, as well as delete or merge contacts.